Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Dior wallet. It's a Japan exclusive that I bought for myself as a treat for starting my new job this week. While I was living in Japan temporarily, I discovered that Dior has several Japan exclusive items. I was immediately drawn to the clover canage pattern, so I went on the hunt. I went to the Tokyo Harajuku Jingumae location and asked to see all of the Japan exclusive items. The wallet I picked up was 118,182 yen, which at the time was just under 800 US dollars. The wallet is the same structure as the Dior Caro Scarlet wallet, which is currently on the Dior site for $880 before tax, so I think this was a good deal. The wallet has space for 9 cards, and it also has this cash slot, and on the back it has a zipped compartment. I'm obsessed with the micro bag trend, so I had this idea that I could convert this wallet and wear it as a micro bag. I got these felt inserts that help to convert clutches or wallets into bags. The inserts have these grommets that you can use to connect your chain. So after I slip this converter into one of the card slots, I'm going to grab this crossbody chain and connect it to the grommets. Ta-da! I think it looks so cute and I'm so excited to wear it around. I think that it could be a great little bag for going out when you don't need to carry too much. And since it has a little zipper compartment in the back, I could probably fit a compact or a small lip product or something. I have another Dior bag that I've been meaning to try as a crossbody. I've had this belt bag for a couple of years now. I got it in Italy, and I had the intention of using it both as a belt bag and a crossbody, but never was able to get the straps to work. So I'm going to try the felt converter now. So this one should be the right size. So it turns out it's a little bit loose, but it should still work. I'm really excited that I can wear this now as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. I'm actually getting married next year, and this white bag is going to be the perfect accessory for all the events leading up to my wedding. And that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in and unboxing with me.